pretend like I just got back home and I haven't been in my room before. That is a complete utter lie because I have to set the camera up. But big news, see this box? These are all my fidget spinners. Oh, I'm so keen. Right, so guys, here, back with the knife. Now I'm just gonna set up the camera again. Right, bang. Okay, sweet, it's open, good. This is hard to open. What the hell, it's all wrapped in bloody tape like a juvenile Christmas present. Hope I don't damage any of the packaging. That is hard.
That's what she said.
Wow.
Wow.
Come. Maybe that's enough to start ripping it open. Maybe. There we go. Come on. Yeah, boy. Fidget spinners. We got a red one in here. Oh, that one's blue. Hit me up, send me a message. Bang, $5 each. Okay guys, now obviously, I'm just saying, I did get all my fidget spinners and now I just have fidget spinners galore. Like, I have so many. I have no idea what to do. I have a fucking 1,000 of them. Just like, you know, they're $5 each, hit me up if you want one. But, you know, I had the brilliant idea right now that I'm gonna take some out the packet and I'm just gonna see how high I can make a stack of these spinners. Okay, here we go, we've got some spinners. Like, I've already had people message me and I've like saved them one. So this one's going to Steph. She got a yellow one. You know, I've also got other ones here. Liam, he's got two. He's got two black ones. This one's got a white button on it for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, I've got my pile of spinners. This one here is my other one. It broke. It's a crack in it. But this is the other one I've got. I just really got a new white one. Put some black buttons on it and got the red bearings in there. And then this is my favourite. That's my beauty. Not selling those too. And spin. I mean, this one's broken. I'll probably take this one off. Damn it, I stopped it. This is actually hard, guys. Spin the white one. Spin the blue one. Spin the yellow. Spin the red one. Shit, I stopped it. It's all about the structure, you see. It's all about the structure. Right, I'll chuck a few more on, and then I'll spin them all at the same time again. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Well. Should be right. We'll spin the white one. This is tricky. That way. Blue one. That way. Yellow. That. Red. That way. Green. That way. That way. That way. That way. Whoa. That is cool. It's like, it looks like a tornado. More blue tack. More spinners. Low key, the only reason I bought so many, because I just wanted to do this. Alright, chuck this on Snapchat. Oh no, they're all spinning. And as soon as I start recording, they fell over. How'd it go?